use this stuff for scissors. And I have grab scissors. We're gonna put these holes on like we need to do and just open it up by itself.
Yeah, you want Daddy to help you open it?
This screw these.
Very good. You gotta grip that. Watch your hands. You gotta stay away. There you
Yeah.
go. Yeah.
Screw them out. Here.
Pull it out. Whoa, look at that. It's a farm tractor. Yeah. It's nice, yeah.
That's going to let's put it out.
Whoa, it says press the button. Try me, press the button. There you go. It's starting up.
It's just in there.
Oh, it's sitting in the box again.
Just
Yeah.
backing up. Because just backing up. I won't say it. See? Just backing up. See?
Oh. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa, it's huge. Can you open the door? Is there a way to open the door? Open.
Oh no! Something just happened to the wheels.
Yeah.
So we need to press that button and see what it's in it.
What happened to the wheels?
We just died. Just,
Yeah, it's a big wheel. Can they see
yeah.
and drive? Let me see. Wow.
Oh no, it's mine. There's yours.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Wow, it's so smooth. Wow.
That's mine.
Yeah, it's coming to your way. It's coming to your side. Yeah.
Oh no, you get your tractor. It's going to turn. It's going to move your tractor. Move your tractor.
All right. Are you ready to start the engine and drive it to the farm?
No, I don't want to start it.
Okay. Let's see.
The people. No. Oh, don't wind it up.
Why?
No.
It looks nice. Look at the light. Daddy likes the light. Yeah. Can you turn it on?
No.
Let's see.
I'm going to the people up and then I can't flash it. It's too dark.
Okay, let's go. Drive it. You gotta drive it slow. Don't go too fast.
We need to go super duper fast.
Don't go super fast.
Oh
this?
Oh no. Just first it would be stop like that tractor. You need to move the tractor. This is my red tractor, and there is your other red tractor.
Okay, let's put this one. We gotta start.
Hold on, you're off to the bar.
It's starting it. I gotta go to the tractor. Yeah.
What is that?
That's a light to let you can do that. If you see anything. See? If you see that, you could
Ah,
find any spider
okay, put the batteries and see.
like this.
Yeah. It's going.
It's not.
It's not going. Okay. Maybe. Ah, yeah. The other one.
Okay,
Okay, let's put this one.
that come right in there. Now we're ready to do it. Let's try this one.
On this one. The Batman sign. It's a bat. This one. Okay, you gotta. Are you going to catch the spider? Where is it?
Oh, I see.
Oh, it's on the carpet! Oh, run, spider, run! Run, run! Oh, William's gonna catch you. Let's go this way. This way. Ah. Ah. Oh, it's in the corner here. Oh. Ah, it's running away. It's running away. Ah, it's coming this way. It's climbing. Oh. climbing on the wall. Yeah, let's go to the bathroom and see. It's dark in the bathroom. Yeah, take it again. Let's go. Whoa, we gotta go closer. Whoa, what is that? Yeah. Yeah, oh, on the toilet? On the toilet's cover? Yay! Let's do it on the wall, on the bathtub. Whoa! There it is. Yeah. Put it up. Over here. Let's see. Wow! Look at that. You see that? Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
Here comes the bed.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, hold on. We gotta change the other one too. Oh, here comes the spider! Watch out! Yeah, oh, Daddy will let you do it. Ding, 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 ding. Ooh, spider.
Was it big? What is it? That's a tree.
Oh no, is it a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Looks like a dinosaur. Oh.
Let's look. Maybe if
Is it?
that's a ghost.
Ooh, it's a Halloween ghost. Okay.
No, it's my turn.
What is this?